All right, straight talk. Let's get this straight. We're going to get from point A to point B. Before I go any further, I have to make sure I get everything lined up. Lines are hard. Let's just get that straight. All right, that's enough. I'll straighten up. Camera's a little crooked. Let me just straighten it. All right, I promise. No more one-liners. All right, yes, we know lines are hard. Straight lines, especially. But I have a few tips that can help you get from point A to point B as straight as possible. Let's do this. Alrighty, so what makes a straight line is going from point A to point B as straight as possible. Doy. So let's do that. Let's draw point A and then point B, and we're going to draw a line to connect them. But here's the trick. We're not going to look at the pencil. We're going to look at point B. So let's do that without moving your wrist. Just one line directly to B. Wow. Let's do that again. Point A, but this time there is no point B. Just starting here, find your spot at point B with your eye, and then just draw your line. It's like no, it's not really, but watch, we could just do it again, and again, and again, and just do it over and over until your brain hurts. And then, well, just do it some more. Do this vertically as well to keep practicing. Don't use your wrist. Use your whole arm, starting at point A to point B. Point A to point B. Point A to B. Over and over. This works in any direction. Make a few little practice tests for yourself here as well. Starting at point A and then just go to B. Go to B. Any direction. It works. Over and over and over. That's all there is to it. You're awesome. Stay creative. And, yeah. Bye. So there you have it. Drawing straight lines without this thing. Yes, it is that simple, and it does catch on very quickly. Yes, of course, you need to practice. But to prove how simple it is, I have a couple non-artists that I'm going to try this on, and I will show you how easy it is to learn. Let's go. Hey, you want to help me with my video? Hey, Rai. How old are you?
6.
You're 6? You're so big. Let's see if we can draw this line thing. Okay, ready? Let's start with 2 dots. Ready? Dot here, right?
Boop. Bop.
Boop. All right. Now connect those lines. Remember, don't bend your wrist. Use your whole arm and just draw a straight line. Very good. Straight across. That's amazing. Even got some love on that one. Beautiful. All right, let's do it again. Dot here, but no dot there. Okay, ready? Straight line. Make sure you know where you're going with it. All the way down. Very nice. Now, can you draw another line right next to it that's just as straight?
Without any dots that time.
Without any dots. Very good. Can you draw another line that's just as straight? Right next to it? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, ooh, wow, that was a good one.
I can see a little ooh.
You're amazing. High five for being awesome sauce. That works too.
Holy cow, it's a masterpiece! Hey, you want to be in my video?
Depends.
On what?
What's your video about?
Drawing straight lines?
I can draw straight lines.
Okay, show me.
That's not what I meant!
Okay.
Can you
Okay,
see my
take this.
accent stick though?
Right. So, on your page, draw 2 little dots. Like this. Dooch and dooch. Okay, very nice. Now, draw from here to there and connect the dots like that. Very good. Now,
Didn't connect.
that's okay. Start here and we're going to draw to point B here, but this time do not draw point B, just draw point A. right?
Mm.
Now visualize where you want point B
Ooh,
to go.
That was wonky.
All right, now just do it again. Start at point A,
Mm-hmm.
but don't draw the dot. And watch
Oh.
where you're going to put it. Make an invisible dot with your brain.
Okay.
And then go there.
Ooh. That's straight, right?
Now do it again. Now do it again.
I am
do it
a
again.
magician.
You're amazing.
What's this?
Ooh, okay. A little
Okay,
overzealous
I'm sorry.
there.
I'm
okay.
perfect.
Okay. What? I missed that. What was that pun again?
I'm top of the line.
See? I told you guys it was easy. Even they can do it. Draw.